What is good, YouTube? We're back again with another video, and in today's video we got a good amount of things going on. We got Jose's car is not doing too good. Whoa! Yo, don't hit my car, don't hit my car. But in today's video we're gonna be doing my oil change. Maybe seeing what's wrong with Jose's car, but it's just an axle, bro. Alright, that's good enough.
Yeah. Hey. Oh, we good right there. Come on, jack it up. Oh,
this is
right there.
How many hours were you on the side of the road?
Since 9:30.
7 hours. 7 hours on the side of the road.
Yo, who's
Pop the hood, pop the hood.
Is that my
Oh,
You're just gonna leave it on? Alright, Jose, what we got going on here?
I'm Paul, I'm Isaac.
We're mocking up a fucking turbo kit.
Jose, what's going on with your car, bro?
Alright, so look.
Give him a rundown.
We got a snap axle. So we're gonna, we're gonna replace the axle.
Oh yeah, she done up.
And then we're gonna get rid of all this rust.
Yeah, we're not getting rid of rust today.
Yeah, you're right, we're not. We're
the
gonna
axle's getting changed.
We're gonna lower the car some more?
Yeah, he's gonna lower the car more, definitely, yeah. Look at that.
I'm gonna jerk them off.
Whoa.
Alright, what's good, YouTube? We're back again. So the other day I was here with Jose and this guy Anthony right over there. But we didn't even get to do my oil because it was just too cold and Jose's axle took longer than what we expected. So right now we're about to just change the oil on the SI. I went with some Valvoline 5W20 full synthetic. I got myself a OEM Honda filter, and I got myself like a pack of the gaskets, well, you know, on the drain plug. But yeah, we're about to jack this up and get to it. All right, guys, so I just drained the oil. Now Anthony is under there just trying to get the oil filter off. And now I'm just gonna open up this and we're gonna get some oil in here. That's what I normally like to do. I normally like to camera down. Yeah, I like to normally put some oil in the filter, and there's like this little rubber gasket in here, and I normally like to rub some oil around there as well. And yeah, that's really it. I'll get back to you guys with that. All right, guys, so I'm just about to drop some in here. All right, and now I'm just gonna, as you see, put my hand and just get this nice and lubricated. Pause, and then now we should be ready to just drop this into the housing, and then we'll just add the new oil. So we'll get right to it. This was the oil. It was definitely time for an oil change. Now we're just gonna get a magnet so we can find the drain plug, and I got a new washer, so we're gonna add that on there, and then we're just gonna put the bolt back on, and we're gonna add the oil. We should be good to go. Alright guys, right now I'm about to add 4.4 quarts of oil. That's with the filter on. Be quicker than Jiffy Lube, guys, alright? And more legit. Nice and clean. All right, let me check. Let me see. I'm gonna add until 1 quart. Can't even see. It's like right there. Alright, you can cut it. You think? And just like that, the oil change is now done on the SI. Shout out to my boy Anthony for the help. But yeah, we got it right now. I'm actually about to show you guys how to do the oil reset procedure. It's just something you should do every time, you know, you just change your oil so it doesn't think that it's on old oil. So let me get that going for you guys. All right guys, so we're gonna check out this little screen right here. You're gonna click the menu button. This is gonna pop up. You're gonna click up on vehicle information, click OK on maintenance info, and then you're gonna click the reset. Would you like to reset maintenance information? Yes. Maintenance information has been reset, and now we are back to 100%. So that is how you change the oil on a 2015 Honda Civic Si. We didn't show you that much, but it's pretty self-explanatory. What was the size of the drain plug?
It was 17.
So get a 17, get a ratchet, undo it. Make sure before you undo it, you take off your oil cap in the top of the motor, so then it's just free flowing oil, and then from there you're all set. But yeah, that's it for this part of the video. I'm gonna get back to you guys with the next part. Alright guys, so now next part of the video is getting new tints for this SI. It's hard to see, but my tint is starting to turn purple. It is starting to like flake and rip, and in the back as well, it's starting to like rip right there. And then in the outside, you can see in the rear of the car, it's starting to like lift and look ugly. I got this done like the first 3 days of owning the car, and it was pretty bad at the time, like bad quality. It's like, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's starting to lift and rip and peel and shit. You see what I mean? Like, oh well, I just removing this for free. Look at that. Well, minus some money right there. But yeah, untinted that real quick. Still looks dark though. So yeah, here's another one. If I could get this one's gonna be harder. But yeah, it was just time. It was time to get rid of these. So but yeah, now this was all 20% all around except for the front windshield. On the front windshield I had a 5% strip right here. Now this time around I'm gonna be going 5% all around carbon ceramic tint, and on the windshield same thing, 5% windshield strip. But it's definitely gonna look darker. I mean, even though it does look pretty dark already as it is for 20, but now it should definitely be a difference. But yeah, we're gonna head over to the tint shop in a little bit and get that done, and I'll keep you guys posted. All right guys, so we arrived at Chamos. We're now getting the tints removed on the SI. So it seems like that there was like 2 layers of tint, because I was checking this out, and as you guys saw before, I took this 1 layer out, but it still seems like there might be tint still under here and over here. And from what she just told me, there's 2 layers of tint. So we're gonna get that handled, and we're about to get some new fresh ceramic tint all around, make the screen look nice and clean again. Little by little, the SI is getting some love. But I did have my roof wrap removed, and my paint was damaged recently, and this molding flew off somehow. So in the spring I do plan on getting the roof repainted, and I'm getting hopefully all new moldings for the roof. And over here, because these are like starting to get ripped up. As you guys can see, it's like a typical 9th gen thing. But yeah, little by little, I want to show the SI the love that it deserves. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted with what's going down then with the tint. Out here at Chamos, posted up with the GTR, you already know. Beautiful. But yeah, whenever you guys need a wash, you guys can check out Chamos. Here's the plug. If you guys need some tints, also come check out Chamos. Hooking it up right now on the SI. But yeah, nice family style business. Great people, great service. Come check them out. We got this guy Jose out here posted up. Ain't no good.
Record it, my God. Record it. Yo! Yo! You don't know what to do, bro. Just go. Yo! It's a
Your car.
Wait,
down the block.
We're in Jose's car.
Let's go. Let's go.
No back seat.
We outside.
Gotta run to the bank real quick,
Right down the block.
That way?
Oh, not the other way.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you gotta make a left.
God.
You gotta make a left and make a left at the light.
Is it actually left?
Yeah.
Can I just go that way and then that way?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh.
Oh my God.
This is horrible.
Yo, you kind of
How do you drive this? How do you drive this?
Yo, she was bad.
Bro, you're on the floor, bro.
Is that your car?
Yeah.
Oh! Yo, Jose, you're retarded.
That's just not, you know,
This is ridiculous. This is horrible. Don't be static, guys. Don't be like Jose.
I don't even know what's going on.
I don't know if you guys can hear this right now, but this is Jose's car scraping on the floor.
That's my coilovers. Scraping on the wheels.
Yeah.
We'll come right here.
Yeah.
But how the fuck am I supposed to get there?
This car is total
Fuck, I
mess.
must have left here. It's gonna be hard. Well, go
That's
down there and
horrible.
make a U-turn.
That's
Come back
horrible.
this way and make a right.
I ain't know.
Alright guys, so it's now 5:45. It's a pretty brick out here in Jersey. My car is almost done. We got tacos for lunch. It's just me and Jose now. Camera cut off because it's brick, but we're in Jose's car. We're about to go get some coffee. There's an act. Alright guys, so this is about a week later now, or yeah, just about a week later. This is the tints inside, and 5% strip right there. But yeah, honestly, it's not bad. Check out Chamos Hand Car Wash on IG. Hit him up, let him know that K-Series Isaac sent you, and he'll get you taken care of with some tints. And I'm about to show you guys when we get to my boy Anthony's house, the outside of the car, to show you guys how it came out. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Alright guys, so this is a 5% carbon ceramic tint all around. Can't even see inside. Came out really good. Don't mind the car. The car is really dirty. It needs a wash. They are also offering a free gold wash with whenever you do a tint job. So get at Chamos. He'll get you right. Let him know that I sent you. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Peace.